Here is proof that our backhoe is the most versatile machine on the job site. It can dig, race down the drag strip, and even dance. Ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing enjoyment, the JCB Dancing Diggers.
Technical innovations, Payat has arrived at BC India's floor for 2013. Here I have Mr. Varghese explaining us the details from Marini Payat. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Can you detail us about the products being displayed?
We have a fantastic range of products at each level of the road life cycle. Starting from the asphalt mixing plant, when you begin to make a road, you need asphalt mix, and that's why we have put up on display the model a 280 ton per hour plant, very modern plant that we are supplying in India. So you have one of the models of that, and then also on display is the high-end level of recycling. So when we are talking about very high scale of recycling, those technologies are available here. We have put on display. We're talking about low energy, sustainable development. And when you finish the asphalt layer, you come into the paving section where you have to then lay the mix on the road, and for that we have the Bomag BF800, which is a 800 ton per hour class machine on display here, one of the heaviest in the industry, with a delivery of more than 98% compaction guaranteed. That's what we have, a fantastic new machine. First time we are introducing this machine in India. We have great success, machines are sold, and we hope to see more and more people use and benefit Bomag technology. After Bomag is the compaction equipment, and Bomag is number one in compaction. We have the PTRs here, BW24, which is one of the most high-tech pneumatic rollers in the market. We have put on display, is also sold. We have also a set of tandem, the BW120, small tandem rollers which are on display here. And also we've got a few other small compaction equipment. So we've come with a very good mix of equipment here at the BC India.
So India is known for its different layers of infrastructure projects in Tier 1 and Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. So how do you tap in these opportunities?
We have a very wide range of product range, starting from 120 ton an hour class for small contractors doing small jobs.
So sir, how do you plan to tap in the opportunities from Tier 1 and Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities?
We have come with a complete range of solutions because we have been in the industry for more than 100 years, and we have seen a lot of countries grow. For example, when China was growing, when now with the growth of India, we've been here already more than 15 years. So we understand the development, and that's why we have also come with a big portfolio of products, starting from small pavers, small asphalt plants, small tandem rollers, small milling machines starting from 500 mm width. We have the complete range. So whether it is a small contractor or a small project inside for the city roads, we have a very good and fantastic product range. Also to tell you about projects inside the city, you know, when we're talking about national highways, in Delhi is a very good example. It was only Marini asphalt plant which was allowed to operate inside Delhi, inside proper Delhi, because only our plants were able to meet the environmental norms. That's why we have products which can help work inside cities. Like this particular plant that you see is a very compact model, doesn't need a lot of space like a traditional asphalt plant. So very well designed for city applications. So we have complete range of products, and we are excited to see India developing and to see that there are more and more opportunities for us to place our products.
So how has been the response from BC India 2013?
A little bit sad about the performance of the show, because we were expecting a lot of footfalls. I don't know if we had enough footfalls. We are as FIAT are not really very satisfied with the number of footfall happening into the exhibition, but it also are linked to several factors. But overall, the kind of responses we got, customers coming in, machines sold, we are very happy.
So, has the slowdown in the construction industry anyway affected your business operations?
Construction markets are always cyclical, so there is always this plus and minus, but because we are present world over, when there is a plus on some country, there are some slowdowns in other countries, which we have to balance. And over these years, we have learned how to balance them well. Especially when we talk about plants or BOMAG machineries, since we don't have a lot of sales already in the past in India, the slowdown has not really affected. On Marini side, we are doing well, and on BOMAG side, we have to start with the high-end technology. So everything is on the plus side for us.
So what are your expectations from this fiscal, and any plans of expansion?
FIA has been always interested in India, and we have a very long-term plan. We have already got some approvals to set up a factory. Things are in the pipes, and very soon we'll come up with a very modern factory to build some products specifically designed for the Indian market.
So what do you think are the immediate challenges faced by the Indian construction equipment manufacturers?
Challenges are basically, it's more linked to the market. I think technology is already there with some very good names in the industry, or present here, supplying, servicing, and also manufacturing products. So I don't think that's a big challenge. But overall, what I see is quality of manpower, and also when we look at investments made, we always want some returns to come. And when projects are slowing down, it's not a very good sign. It's not a very encouraging thing for the equipment manufacturers. But we see good times are ahead, and we look forward to it.
So you heard it directly from the expert. Reporting for EPC World Media, Veena Kurup.
Ramaya vastavaya ala re birla evan mazbuti mein evan bane ghar isse evan tarz par saje gehnaye be मजबूती का दूसरा नाम बिरला A1 प्रीमियम सीमेंट